National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Chambers County in southeastern Texas, Southern Liberty County in southeastern Texas, Eastern Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:31 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Cove, Oregon, 8 miles northeast of Beach City, moving southwest at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Baytown, Beach City, Mont, Belvieu, Anahuac, Old River-Winfree, Cove, Smith Point, Hankamer, Wallisville, and Oak Island. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.